ਇਹਦਾ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਚੋਬੇ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਉਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਸੀ, ਇਹਦੀ ਸਹੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ। ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਇਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ, ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਸਹੀ ਹੈ।
Sarado yung ilalim niya, pero hindi naman siya glubay. Kaya lang bagsak yung pressure niya. So ito siya, papasin nyo, kapapalit lang daw ng oil pressure sensor. Ayan yung may one. Ayan siya. Ayan, oil pressure sensor, bagong palit. Pero luma na. Kaya lang yung makina medyo hanggang salanta. Okay. So based on my own what we call inspection or testing, this is the result. So we can see the engine oil pressure is down. Okay. This machine is a 336D. Acceleration will not boosting or not going up because the computer is sensing the oil pressure is negative, engine oil pressure. Okay.